This is a trail summary application for going out on hikes and sharing your information with a friend, relative, usually your mother. That's how it seems to go for me. So let's get her running. It's built in Spring Boot using the Model View controller, SpringMVC. It uses PostgreSQL as a backend, and it uses Thymeleaf to do the front end. As you can see here, it's built mainly in Java, actually pretty much all in Java, a little bit of JavaScript here and there, but mostly all Java for this one. So let's just take a look at her. So you would over here. I don't have this thing up and running, so I'm going to do some fake stuff, but these will be real trails. We'll say Dawson's Pass, which is a trail in Glacier National Park, and I'm going to go out for 2 nights. So this will send this email off. So we'll go, oh, it does also have trips on it, so it must not be empty. So we'll redo that. Trail name Dawson's Pass. Same with, they all pretty much have that same feature. Must not be empty. Across the board, they have that same idea. Simple checks for it. So, and we'll submit that. And that's going to connect up to, as you can see here, it's not connected up right now because I need to update my authenticator on Google for it to actually send with my Gmail, but it would send an email out to your email here. I don't have it set up right now because Jimmy@Yahoo is a fake email, so I have to put in security for that. But other than that, it does send the emails. It's just very unsecure at the moment. So it'll send all this information via an email. You can also go back to home, and there's a summary here where you can set up, and this gives you information of the people who are on a trail right now. For instance, this was a previous example, and then this is right now's example. So it'll show who's on trails, and it'll also show all the past hikes for your personal email or your sign-in. So it has a sign-in, sign-out, a simple login service. And that's how you would get to be able to do this, by signing in and signing out. As you can see, I can also do one that doesn't exist, and user name invalid and password. So these are preset email and passwords that I actually hard code into the program itself. So the idea would be, if it was like a hiking club, you could give everyone a username and password, then we'd all be able to link up on the same set of credentials and be able to see who's hiking where, who's out on the trail right now, who has hiked something, so you can talk to them about that hike. So just a little bit of back end using the Postgres. Still has a lot of things that could go into it, but it's a work in progress. So thanks.